close. Where do the candidates stand on Iowa's most pressing issues? Hear from retired businessman Fred Hubbell, Democratic candidate for governor. Michael Zamora, the Register editors note, the Des Moines Register is featuring profiles of the 6 Democrats vying to become Iowa's governor. The pieces include the candidates' background, their major issue emphasis, and what makes them stand out from the large crowd of candidates in the June 5 primary. You can also find all candidates' answers to issues, questions, and a candidate matching quiz at DesMoinesRegister.com/govquiz. Name: Fred Hubbell, age 6'7", SCENE. Hubbell sat at the center of a long conference table in a downtown Des Moines office building facing about a dozen child and family policy experts who wanted to know how he, as governor, would promote a healthy workforce by addressing early childcare needs. Hubbell, a retired businessman, paused briefly then pointed to a company he said is doing it right, Iowa manufacturer Vermeer, which is providing flexible, subsidized child care options as a perk to help lure workers. They know they can't recruit the workers that they need without providing those kinds of services on site, he said. He argued the governor should work to educate companies about how those benefits can help solve the workforce shortages plaguing the state better than wasteful tax credits and tax cuts, and that's not going to be necessarily easy, he continued, prompting 2 of the women in attendance to glance at each other, not in agreement, but businesses are starting to figure it out, Hubbell pressed. I want to take away these short-sighted tax credits and exemptions, and give you long-term investment, he said. The state should support fully funded preschool for all 4-year-olds before they enter kindergarten. That helps kids be better prepared for school, he said, but it also helps families who then don't have to worry about childcare costs that year. More: 1 of 100, 2 of 100, 3 of 100, 4 of 100, 5 of 100, 6 of 100, 7 of 100, 8 of 100, 9 of 10, 10 of 10. Autoplay. Show thumbnails. Show caption. /slide. Next slide. Experience. Hubbell formerly served as CEO of the Equitable Life Insurance Company, chairman of Yonkers, and as an executive at the ING Group before. He served as interim director of the Iowa Department of Economic Development for 3 months. He is a philanthropist and longtime Democratic donor who has served on the boards of Planned Parenthood of the Heartland. Close. Fred Hubbell, Democratic candidate for governor, talks with the Des Moines Register editorial board. Michael Zamora, Ms. Zamora, DMREG.com. A horror issue. Hubbell has highlighted his support of Planned Parenthood of the Heartland in speeches, interviews, and television ads. My wife and I continue to be extremely supportive of Planned Parenthood, Hubbell told the Des Moines Register's editorial board. We helped them open a clinic in Dubuque when they couldn't get access to property up there. When last year the legislature and the governor defunded Planned Parenthood, it just took health care choices away for 15,000 Iowans, not just women, but also men all across our state. He has also been sharply critical of what he called extreme Republican-led efforts to ban nearly all abortions in Iowa, saying it not only hurts women but reflects poorly on the state. Distinction: Hubbell has more private sector executive experience than his Democratic challengers, which he says shows he can lead and deliver results. I want to take those skills that I've demonstrated I have in leadership and in getting results to state government, he told the Des Moines Register's editorial board. We're not getting results. All the tough questions, whether it's water quality or healthcare or education or, actually, our budget, are not being dealt with. They're just being talked about on the surface and no real results for Iowans. So I think I've got the leadership skill and the experience, and I've demonstrated that. What you didn't know: after retiring from ING Bank in 2006, Hubbell said he organized a trip with his family to hike Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, a climb that doesn't require technical hiking skills but takes climbers from 5,000 feet above to sea level to more than 19,000 feet. 9 out of the 12 of us got all the way to the top of Kilimanjaro, Hubbell said. We walked by the glaciers. We were on top of Africa. That's the highest point of Africa, so the clouds are below you. It was a good family experience. It brings people together, and I don't think it's something that even our young kids, the nieces and nephews, are ever going to forget. Read or share this story. https://dmreg.co/2weekja